Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assemble back your Roomba iRobot. And to do this, as you can see, I have disassembled the entire device and everything that you can detach is detached. Now to attach everything back, first let's start with a dustbin. It's right here. You also need this filter, so to place it back, do it like this. There's two rails in which you can put the filter in. Then close this lever and the dustbin is basically assembled. Now find the button like this one and put it like that and push it until you hear the click. So now it's assembled and won't go out, it's okay. Here open this lever and attach two of the brushes. And first the big one, start with a gray end and put it right here. Then click the yellow one to the right and do the same thing with the other one. You might need to rotate it until it finds its place like this, and then simply close this lever until you hear the click, and here's the Roomba assembled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.